All right, guys, so this is the last check understanding. This is a word problem. Here we go. A person stands on a cliff that is 55 meters high. He throws a stone up in the air. The stone hits the water a few seconds later. The approximate height of the stone, h meters above the water, after t seconds is modeled by this formula. When will the stone hit the water? Give the answer to the nearest tenth of a second. So what it is saying is there's a cliff. So probably like this, no, like this, okay? And then this cliff is 55 meters high, all right? So the person is on top of it. He throws a stone up in the air. So I don't know, maybe the stone goes that way. And then after a few seconds, it hits the water. The water is over here. Okay. So when will the stone hit the water? In terms of this h, that h represents the height. And the height will be 0 when the stone hits the water. All right. Now that t in the formula here represents the amount of time that passes. Okay. And at every or at any second t, you will have a certain h for it. All right. So let's take a look. So all it is saying is make this equal to 0 to be able to solve this. Okay. So once again, you see a -5 in front of it. We need to get rid of that. And let's see what we can do. And I think you already can tell you have to divide everything by -5. All right. So -5t squared divided by -5 gives you t squared. 30t divided by -5 gives you -6t. 55 divided by -5 gives you -11. All right. And once again, to do the completing the square, we move the -11 to the other side, becomes positive. We complete the square by adding something here. The middle term is divided by 2 and then squared. And then we do the same to the other side. And then let's simplify. T squared minus 3 minus 6t plus 9 is equal to 11 plus 9. Now guys, take note. Here, it will be t minus 3 squared. That would be the binomial for it, not t plus 3. All right, this is equal to 20. And again, to get the answer, you get the square root of both sides. We have t minus 3 equals plus or minus root of 20, giving us a final answer of t equals 3 plus or minus root of 20 if it is an entire radical, or 3 plus or minus 2 root of 5 if it is a mixed radical. All right. Now, you only use the positive root because the t represents time. Okay. So really, this is all we need. All right. 3 plus root of 20. And if you use your calculator, because we are trying to find the answer to the nearest tenth of a second, that would be about 7.471 something. Okay. And what I want you to do is you only round off at the very end. So 7.4 becomes 7.5. So the answer is the stone hits the water after about 7.5 seconds. Okay. And there you have it. This is the end of this check your understanding. Please do the practice work. Bye.